Riding posture, head and eyes up, looking ahead, shoulders relaxed, elbows in and bent, fingers covering the clutch, right, fingers around the throttle with your wrist flat, and only reach out to the front brake when you need it, as far as your legs go, right, knees against the tank, feet either beside the controls or lightly covering the controls, whichever is more comfortable for you, alright? So part 1, on signals, start and start the engine. On signal, first gear, rest on the heels of your feet, then ease the clutch to the friction zone. Once you're in the friction zone, the bike's going to pull yourself forward. When you're on the balls of your feet, squeeze the clutch in and move back. Alright, so this is what we call rocking back and forth. You may need to use a little bit of throttle. Alright, so this is part 1. Then on part 2, roll on the throttle just slightly, ease the clutch to the friction zone and use your feet for balance as you walk across the range. For the exercise, we will be power walking back, but for this demonstration, I'm going to move on to part 3. Turn the motorcycle around, you walk forward 90 degrees, and then turn to the left and back it up. And you're back to your original starting point, right? Come a little bit closer, please. Alright, simulated practice. So on some of these exercises, we have what we call simulated practice. It's essentially a dry run of a skill that we're going to be practicing for that exercise. Right, so for all simulated practices, you'll see the correct riding posture by keeping your feet on the ground. If you need to use your foot controls, just simulate by lifting your toes up and down. Alright, so for this exercise, simulated practice is releasing the clutch to the friction zone and then through it. So remember, as we talked about earlier, we release the clutch at a 5 count, 1 is all the way in, 5 is all the way out. Right, we cannot just go 1, 5, right? Friction zone is going to be around 3, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3. So for parts 1 and 2, we'll be holding it around 3. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. And then for part 3 of the exercise, we may be releasing it to 4 and then 5. Right, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5. Questions? 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 4, 5. Alright, very good. Okay. Alright, part 2. Alright, at the end of this exercise, we'll be going to stage. So meet me by stage, please. Angie. Alright, so this is stage where you see the blue keys. Alright, if you're the first rider in, this is the key, this is the first key on the right, front row on the right. That's where you stop, front tire on. Alright, gather around for me.